In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Apple Photos really useful. Let's get started by diving into some strategies that will help you organize and present your photos in a visually appealing way. To begin this process, the first step you'll want to take is to create a focused album. This ensures that all your cherished memories are compiled in a way that's both accessible and visually appealing. Open up your Photos app and navigate to the album section. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new album. Tap on that and consider naming your album something descriptive and easy to remember. Once you've set up a new album, the next step is crucial. Add only your best, most relevant photos. Focus on selecting those images that hold significance to you, or best represent the story you want to convey with your album. This step is all about quality over quantity, so take your time to curate a selection of standout images that truly matter. Now that you have your custom album filled with high quality photos, it's time to bring them to life using the slideshow feature. Open the album you just created and tap on Select, located at the top right corner of your screen. Then choose Select All to highlight all the photos in the album. Once all your images are selected, hit the three-dot menu icon, which usually appears as to explore more options. Here you will find Play Memory Video or Slideshow. Choose either option based on your preference. Both are excellent tools to present your photos in an engaging manner, turning your collection into an animated narrative. After starting the slideshow, we delve into customization. By tapping the screen while the slideshow is playing, you'll have access to various settings. This is where you can enhance the presentation by adding a theme, adjusting the music to match the mood you want to set, or introducing additional photos and videos to build a richer story. Customization allows you to tailor the experience, making each slideshow unique to your vision. Finally, after creating and customizing your slideshow, you'll want to save your masterpiece as a video. Saving the slideshow as a video file is a perfect way to preserve your work, allowing you to share it effortlessly with friends and family later. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct save option within the Photos app, but you can use your device's screen recording feature to capture the slideshow as it plays, ensuring all your hard work is preserved for posterity. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making Apple Photos really useful by creating focused albums, utilizing slideshows, and customizing your presentations. Remember, these simple actions can elevate your photo collection, turning everyday memories into cinematic journeys. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to apply these tips whenever you want your photos to shine.